Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by picking a capture path that fits your gear. Choose built-in recording for quick clips, a capture card for console footage, or OBS for flexibility. Once chosen, set resolution to 1080p and target 60 FPS so motion reads clearly, and pick a bitrate that balances quality with file size. Also, make sure to allocate enough disk space. Estimate about 1 GB per 5 minutes at higher bitrates, and prepare an SSD when you begin recording with hotkeys or instant replay. Bind a single key to save the last X seconds so you never miss a moment. Once active, capture separated audio, game, microphone, and party chat on individual tracks so you can mix later, and set OBS or your recorder to write files with timestamps. After each session, tag clips with concise metadata, map, opponent, moment type, so when you review footage later, you can quickly find the exact highlight you need without guessing. You now edit down to the highlight, trimming excess so clips land between about 5 and 30 seconds for best engagement, and add a simple intro or caption if needed. Once edited, export using H.264 or H.265 at 1080p with a platform-appropriate bitrate, higher for YouTube, slightly lower for social apps, and name files clearly. If you run into corrupted recordings, try remuxing with FFmpeg, confirm codecs are installed, and check temporary recorder folders. Often the file is recoverable with a quick fix.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.